All right, I'm going to show you guys my veggie haul, and I'm going to tell you what I am doing with the veggies. But first, I'm going to show you. Let's see if you can see here. Look at all these veggies and fruits. This is from our international market called K&S. All of this stuff right here, all of that stuff, $50. Isn't that crazy? Let me get this situated. 50, that's what I said. I said 50. That is crazy good. So here is what I want to show you. I want to show you what I got and what I'm going to do with everything. So these mangoes. There is a jicama jalapeno mango slaw that I like to make. This is the jicama. It's from Mexico. It is very mild. You peel it, it's white. I grate it, and then I cut little chunks of mango, and it's lime and jalapeno. Really good slaw. This is also good to just grate up and put on your salad. It really doesn't have a lot of taste to it, and it's a good for you. It's a veggie. So the other things I got. So my family, we eat a lot of fruit. So I got these plums and these beautiful apples. Everything is very inexpensive at the K&S market. The other thing that I got here, and so I like to do roasted veggies, and so I'll do a pan of roasted veggies. So you're gonna see a lot of veggies here. So I might do, so this is asparagus. So I might do asparagus, pepper, and cauliflower. I might do a roasted pan with all of that, and I love to use fresh herbs. Fresh herbs make a huge difference. I got sage, thyme, and what's this? Sage, thyme, and rosemary. And so I just will chop these up. I will drizzle, or actually spray oil on the veggie pan, and I will put the herbs on there, and I like to squeeze some lemon. Hence, we get lots of lemons around here. I love adding lemons to, of course, my water, but adding lemons to greens, it increases the nutrient density. It's gonna add that acidic, which is also really good for insulin, keeping insulin low, and also you're gonna get vitamin C. And so this is beautiful. Look how huge it is. Green chard, that's a large stalk. I got 2 of these. What do I do with this? I saute it. You can saute it with onions. You can, if you like mushrooms. I don't. I just do a little bit of butter, garlic, and chicken broth, and I will saute this either by itself or with kale. Another way I do my greens is I'll take 2 different greens that are, if they have to be kind of the same, like hearty, and put them in the Instant Pot for 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Beautiful greens. So I have the Swiss chard. Okay, daikon. What is that? It is a radish. This is a big radish. I probably won't even use all this, but it's the smallest one that I got. And what I will do is peel it and grate it, and I will put this on salads. I will slice them up. My kids like radishes, so they actually love radishes. I can slice them up and they can put salt on it. And what else did I get here? Oh, my family loves some jalapenos. So I'm actually making a bean and turkey kielbasa dish tonight that they're gonna put those jalapenos on. I got some more squash for roasting veggies, and I will do sweet potatoes. So if I'm doing sweet potato and squash and onion, that's gonna be my vegetables. So I'll do 2 sheet pans, and then I'll cook the greens by itself. I've got peppers in here, yellow peppers. I can add those to salads. I can cut them up for the kids to eat. And what else is in here? Oh, we love cucumbers. So I love the little pickling cucumbers. I don't know where they went here. Oh, so I got a bunch of these, and of course I just will eat it, but I will peel them and eat them by themselves. I'll make a cucumber salad. I like to do a dill cucumber salad where I'm just taking Greek yogurt and lime and dill and cutting it up and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. That's it, and just mix it all together. Super easy. And if your people like, my guys like onion, I don't, so I would do maybe one with onion, one without. But the cucumber salad. Now papaya, a little tricky. Not very many people around my house like papaya. Papaya is so good. It's got enzymes for digestion. and it's high in vitamin C and vitamin A and potassium. So I will probably be the only one, and this is a lot, I will cut it open, scoop out the seeds, and I like to add tagine and salt and lime. So this will be something that I cut up for myself and eat on during the week. What else? Lastly, anytime you can get sprouts, sprouts are going to be the highest nutrient dense food that there is. Sprouts are bean sprouts, broccoli sprouts, pea sprouts, radish sprouts, whatever, sunflower sprouts. These, this is a big bag of them. They're very expensive at the health food store. Now, sadly, this probably will not last very long, so I'm going to open up the package and I'm going to wrap in a paper towel and put it in a Ziploc baggie. But these will go on top of salads. This can go on top of a soup. You could take a handful of them and eat them if you want to, but they're pretty much going to be for our salads. I think that's everything, but I just wanted to show you guys how I use, first of all, how I get a lot of veggies in, how I use them, and then I'll post some recipes. After I get all this stuff together, I'll post you guys some recipes. Oh, I didn't show you, Napa cabbage. There's a Napa cabbage salad recipe that I'm going to be using. This is Napa, and the difference between Napa and regular, this is a Japanese cabbage, so it's more tender, it's curlier, it's not as strong as a regular cabbage. This is great to cook. So what I could do is I could take my Swiss chard and half of this, put it in my Instant Pot, and cook it right up and add whatever spices you want. I like to use a little bit of sesame oil, tamari or soy sauce, or I don't use soy, but Bragg's. Sometimes coconut aminos, salt and pepper, Mrs. Dash, if you want to add some hot cayenne pepper to it or whatever. So this will be a salad, and I will probably cook this up because this actually will yield a large salad.